HCTI stock analysis and HCTI stock prediction. What I'll be doing here is just breaking down my exact play and whatnot with healthcare triangle. I mean, specifically now I wanted to see a double break, and I got the double break, but that's from a swing way, in which I'm still keeping in mind. That's good, you know. That means that going into this next week, I'll just move this to the side because now it's in the way. Obviously I'm bullish myself, but going into this next week, we got this second break. This demand zone is prime example to just look to capitalize more, right? Add more, as long as it makes sense, you know. Just randomly buying will probably not make sense, but I'm just saying. So HCTI, let's pull up here. 8 results popped up. If you do want to learn how making 5-10K per month trading, then yeah, sure, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But other than that, I will, you know, continue to keep you up. It's really like nothing else that I would be forcing here. I do have a lot of previous receipts, so I mean just 8, not much, but it's good amount. See ya.